This is the break in the case that they needed. This breathes life back into the case. Not only can you put that image out there and get relevant tips this time, not just random tips that I'm sure they're getting thousands of, but you also have dozens of items in that surveillance image to follow up on. A unique holster, the potential gun that's in there, or potentially a fake gun just meant to intimidate. That the shape of that looks unusual. The shape of the holster and where it's located is definitely unusual. Unique items that he's wearing: the backpack, the jacket, multiple layers, almost excessive layers of clothing and gloves that he's wearing when he goes up there. I mean, this is the break in the case that they needed. And hopefully it will help them triage and prioritize tips as they come in. Because if a tip identifies something in that surveillance video that they've seen, then they know it could be legitimate and they need to follow up on it right away.